Today we're testing out two 3D printing resins. We've got water washable resin translucent yellow, and we've got water washable ABS-like resin 3.0 translucent red. Now, disclaimer, I bought half of these. So one of these was sent over for a project I did for Anycubic, and the other one I bought for myself. And that's because as soon as I started printing transparent stuff, I was like, oh, this is cool. And I went and bought more. So today we're testing out these two resins. Of course, one being ABS-like, and the other one simply being a resin. And of course, both of these are water washable. I believe water washable is better for translucent because with the alcohol, they can actually cloud up when you're cleaning them. Whereas with the water, you get a very nice even finish. So this is what they look like out of the printer with the supports removed and cleaned with water. They look superb. I'm really happy with how both these resins performed. They also printed perfectly, no issues, and the details are all there. And the pigmentation as well, I think is perfect between both of them. Of course, I think that the yellow is probably not the one you'd go for. Red looks really good. The yellow doesn't make as nice translucent objects. However, for the project I was working on here, I needed the yellow. So as you'll see in a second, this is what I was working on where I had a dragon and then dragon fire below it. You can see a video on the channel if you want to actually see the entire project done, but this was so cool to do. And the thing about that dragon as well is it's hollow, but you can barely tell. It's actually got nothing inside it. And there is a few supports in there too, but you just cannot see them. It's really good. So yeah, this is why I've fallen in love with printing in translucent resins, especially water washable ones. So yeah, looking superb. This is what it looks like with the yellow and the red. No finish right now. There's nothing being done to make them look better. And then this is them with clear coat and painted up. And they just look amazing. So yeah, I think you can probably see why I've fallen in love with transparent prints. And with just a simple little bit of clear coat as the finish, no sanding or anything like that, both of these just came out looking absolutely stunning. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.